Do you feel your energy crashing halfway through the day? Are you struggling with constant fatigue, lack of motivation, mental fog, or noticing a gradual decline in your physical stamina, libido, and overall vitality as the years go by? Today on BioWisdom, we embark on a fascinating journey to the misty, ancient mountains of Northeast Asia, the birthplace of one of nature's most legendary and powerful adaptogens, ginseng, often called the king of herbs. For over 5,000 years, ginseng has been revered in traditional Chinese medicine, Korean medicine, and throughout East Asia. Ancient emperors and warriors prized it as a true tonic for longevity, strength, and youthful vigor. Legend says that the mythical emperor Shen Nung himself discovered its remarkable properties. Its name, Panax, comes from the Greek word for panacea, a cure for all, reflecting its reputation as a root that could restore balance, vitality, and even extend life. Unlike quick-fix stimulants like caffeine that borrow energy from your reserves and leave you crashing later, ginseng works as a true adaptogen. It helps your body adapt to physical, mental, and emotional stress while nourishing your systems from within. The magic lies in its unique active compounds, ginsenosides. Over 100 different types have been identified. These powerful saponins modulate the hypothalamic-pituitary-adrenal axis, regulate cortisol levels, improve cellular energy production, ATP, reduce oxidative stress, and support the endocrine and nervous systems. Scientific research supports many traditional uses. Studies show ginseng can significantly reduce fatigue, including chronic fatigue and cancer-related fatigue, improve physical endurance, enhance cognitive function and memory, boost immune response by increasing natural killer cells and other immune markers, and promote healthy aging by protecting cells from oxidative damage. It is also well known for supporting libido and sexual performance in both men and women, improving erectile function, sperm quality, and overall reproductive health without aggressive hormonal disruption. Additional benefits include better blood sugar regulation, cardiovascular support, anti-inflammatory effects, and even potential neuroprotective properties that may help slow cognitive decline in aging. BioWisdom Extended Protocol: How to use ginseng for maximum benefits. Choose the right type of ginseng. Panax ginseng, Korean red ginseng, the most potent for immediate energy, stamina, and vitality. The red version is steamed and dried, which increases its ginsenoside concentration and makes it warmer and more invigorating. Ideal for fatigue, low motivation, and athletic performance. American ginseng, Panax quinquefolius, gentler and more cooling. Excellent for calm, sustained energy, mental focus, reducing stress without overstimulation, and supporting recovery. Siberian ginseng, Eleutherocycus senticosus, not a true Panax ginseng but a close relative with eleuthericides. Great for long-term endurance, resilience to stress, and immune support. Perfect for athletes or high-stress lifestyles. Best forms and quality. Look for high-quality standardized extracts with at least 5 to 10% ginsenosides. Other excellent options include Korean red ginseng slices for tea, whole roots, or concentrated powders. Avoid cheap, low-potency products that may contain fillers. Daily usage and recipes. Recommended starting dose 200 to 400 milligrams of standardized extract per day, or 1 to 2 grams of dried root. You can go up to 1,000 milligrams depending on your needs, but always start low. Take it in the morning or early afternoon to align with your natural circadian rhythm and avoid interfering with sleep. Maca ginseng latte, an energizing twist. Mix 1 teaspoon ginseng powder plus ½ teaspoon gelatinized maca in warm oat or almond milk with a touch of cinnamon and honey. Ginseng immunity tea. Simmer ginseng slices with ginger, lemon, and a pinch of turmeric for 15 to 20 minutes. Add to smoothies, yogurt, or even dark chocolate for a subtle, earthy, slightly sweet, bitter flavor. Cycling for optimal results. Ginseng works best with cycles to prevent tolerance. A popular protocol is 4 to 6 weeks on, followed by 2 weeks off. Many long-term users follow 3 months on, 3 weeks off. Consistency over months brings cumulative benefits for energy, longevity, and hormonal balance. Who should be cautious? Ginseng is generally safe for short to medium-term use, up to 6 months, but consult your doctor if you have high blood pressure, autoimmune conditions, are taking blood thinners, diabetes medications, or stimulants. Pregnant or breastfeeding women should avoid it. Rare side effects may include insomnia, headaches, or restlessness if taken in very high doses or late in the day. Always listen to your body. At BioWisdom, we believe true wellness comes from working with nature's intelligence. Ginseng doesn't just give you a temporary boost, it helps rebuild your body's own capacity for sustained energy, resilience, and graceful longevity. If you're ready to experience the ancient power of the king of herbs for immediate physical energy and long-term vitality, start your ginseng journey today. Which type are you most curious about? Korean red, American, or Siberian? Drop your questions or experiences in the comments below. Like this video and subscribe for more science-backed superfood wisdom every week. Stay wise, stay vital. See you in the next episode of BioWisdom.